हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। हमारा एक बहुत ही अच्छा टॉपिक ज्योग्राफी का टॉपिक है और ये टॉपिक हमारे लिए पढ़ने के लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी है क्योंकि और हम प्रैक्टिकली भी देखते आ रहे हैं इन चीज़ों को। और ये टॉपिक है हमारे अर्थ से रिलेटेड, मून से रिलेटेड, सन से रिलेटेड, जिन्हें हम हमारी प्रेजेंट लाइफ में इजीली देख सकते हैं। सो हम लोग पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। हमारा टॉपिक है सोलर फैमिली। तो सोलर फैमिली को स्टडी करने से पहले हम लोग कुछ चीज़ों को जानने वाले हैं कि ये चीज़ें होती क्या हैं। तो सबसे पहले तो हम जान रहे हैं, सबसे पहले जो है कि सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज़ क्या होती है। सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज़। तो सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज़ होती है just like the sun, the moon and many other objects which shines during the night. The sun, the moon and other bodies that shines in the sky at night are known as celestial bodies. तो इट मीन्स जो सन है हमारा, जो मून है और जो ऐसी बहुत सी बॉडीज़ है, लाइक स्टार्स भी हो सकते हैं। एग्जाम्पल स्टार्स भी ऐड कर लीजिए आप। स्टार्स भी ये क्या है, जो हमारे रात के टाइम स्काई में हमारे जो क्या ब्राइटली शाइन होते हैं, तो दैट बॉडीज आर नॉन एज स्टार्स। अब ज़रूरी नहीं है कि रात के टाइम में हर टाइम पे वो शाइन करते हैं, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द सनलाइट ऑफ द सन वी कैन नॉट सी देम इन डे टाइम। सो दैट्स वाई। और सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज़ का हम लोग कुछ ऐसे भी पता लगा सकते हैं कि दीज बॉडीज़ हैव देयर ओन हीट एंड लाइट। मतलब ये बॉडीज़ जो होती है उनके पास खुद के पास शाइन रहती है, उनके पास हीट रहती है और खुद के पास लाइट रहती है उनकी। तो दीज हैव देयर ओन हीट एंड लाइट। तो मून क्या है, एक सेलेस्टियल बॉडी है क्योंकि उसके पास खुद की हीट और लाइट है। एंड जस्ट लाइक moon is the celestial body, sun also have its own heat and light, so that's why sun is also a celestial body. And stars are also celestial bodies. And earth is not a celestial body because earth doesn't have its own heat and light. Earth gets its light and heat from the sun. So that's why earth is not a celestial body. Not celestial bodies. So now we can say that stars always have their own heat and light. So we can say that sun is also a star. Sun is a star because it has its own heat and light. That's why we can say that sun is a star. Okay, so now we will talk about just like कि जो सन है वो तो हमारी अर्थ से हमें दिखता है, लेकिन जो स्टार्स है वो दिन के टाइम नहीं दिखते और सन तो इसका रीज़न एक ही है कि सन इज़ वेरी बिग, वेरी बिग। सबसे बड़ा सन ही है। सन इज़ वेरी बिग एंड दिस इज़ क्लोजर टू द अर्थ। दिस इज़ क्लोजर टू अर्थ। इतना पास में भी नहीं है बट क्लोजर टू अर्थ। द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन सन एंड अर्थ इज़ 150 मिलियन किलोमीटर्स। डिस्टेंस बिटवीन सन एंड अर्थ इज 150 मिलियन किलोमीटर। अब आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा ये कम थोड़े ना है, बट ये कम नहीं है, बाकी अदर प्लैनेट्स की तुलना में ये कम है। तो व्हेन वी कंपेयर दिस डिस्टेंस विद अदर प्लैनेट्स, दे आर very very far from sun. That's why we call this, the sun is closer to earth. That's why we can see sun from earth. And stars, sometimes stars looks like they are twinkling because they are very far away from earth. They are very far away from earth. That's why they looks like they are twinkling. So this is the reason behind the twinkling of stars, and they are very far away from earth. And now there are some patterns. Stars, जब हम stars sky में देखते हैं नाइट में, तो we can notice some of the patterns that stars made. So these patterns are called as constellations in science. TE आता है, constellation. So what is constellations? Constellations are the group of stars. The spelling of constellation is here not I, this is E, COSTELLATIONS. So these are known as constellation of stars. For example, some examples are given here: Ursa Major and Big Bear. Big Bear are some examples. And we talk about in our Indian culture, we can say that Saptarishi is a group of 7 stars, and the mean of Saptarishi is 7/6. These 7 stars represent 7/6 according to the Indian books or Indian history. So that's why we can say that constellations are group of stars. There are some examples given here: Ursa Major, Big Bear and Saptarishi are the examples of constellations, because these are made by some group of stars, not a single star. In fact, this includes some of the stars. So that's why we call them as constellations. And the next is when we find something. तो हम लोग एक चीज़ फाइंड करते हैं, जैसे कि नॉर्थ पोल. हम लोग नॉर्थ पोल का कैसे पता लगा सकते हैं, या नॉर्थ स्टार का? जब हम लोग नॉर्थ साइड की डायरेक्शन में खड़े होते हैं, तो हम फेस करके खड़े होते हैं, तो हमें एक बहुत ही बिग स्टार दिखाई देगा, जिसे हम बोलते हैं पोल स्टार. That's a pole star. When we are facing towards the north direction, then we can see in the sky a big star. That big star is known as the pole star. So this is the concept of pole star. In ancient times, pole star is used as the symbol of directions. People find out the directions by using pole star, या by seeing the pole star. ठीक है. अब now we will move to the planets. Planets क्या होते हैं? Planets. There are some of the planets, so we will study them. तो planets होते हैं जिनके पास खुद की कोई हीट या फिर लाइट नहीं रहती. इनफैक्ट वो दूसरों की लाइट और हीट को कैप्चर करते हैं या उससे शाइन करते हैं. जस्ट लाइक planets don't have their own heat and light. don't have their own heat and light. They lit by the light of stars. So these are known as planets. Planets are these celestial bodies that doesn't have their own heat and light, and they lit by the light of the stars. So that's why they are known as planets. And planet, the word planet come from where? So this came from a Greek word which means, इसका मीन्स क्या होता है? Came from a word which means wanderers. Planet word come from a Greek word planetae which means the wanderers. मतलब इसका मतलब ये होता है हमारे planets जो होते हैं हमारे यूनिवर्स में घूमते रहते हैं. So they surround each other. They are revolving around the sun. So that's why we call them as wanderers. So planets are wanderers. So now we will move to the next question. Just like we have sun in the middle. This is our sun, and the next there are some planets that revolves always around the sun. So that's why we call them a solar system or solar family. So now we will study that planets here. So सबसे पहले आता है हमारा सन के अराउंड. सन हमारा जो रहता है सेंटर बॉडी और सबसे बड़ा पार्ट रहता है, सबसे बड़ी बॉडी है. सन इज अ बिग स्टार and all the planets revolves around the sun. Just like सबसे जो पहला planet है जो सन के बहुत पास में है, the very close to the sun is Mercury. This is the planet and this is known as Mercury. This revolves around the sun like this. And the next planet will be our, here we will write the next planet which revolves around the sun is our Venus. This is our Venus. These two planets are very close to the sun. The third planet which is close to the sun is our Earth, where we live, our Earth. The Earth is the third planet which revolves around the sun. So this is our Earth. ऐसे ही in the same way there are some more planets that revolves around the sun. So we can write them as directly. So after Earth, the fourth planet is our Mars. The fifth planet is our Jupiter. The sixth planet of solar system which revolves around the sun is Saturn. And this is seventh planet. This is our eighth planet. Okay. Seventh planet is our Uranus. Uranus. Eighth planet is our Neptune. This is our Neptune. So these are some of the planets, total 8 planets, which revolves around the sun. These all revolves around the sun. Like this, I will represent this. You will draw it completely like this. Like this. Mars revolves around the earth. Jupiter revolves around the sun. Saturn revolves around the earth, around the sun, sorry. Uranus also around the sun, revolves around the sun. So these 8 planets revolves around the sun. Okay, so this is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are the 8 planets which revolves around the sun in an elongated path. And sun is the tallest planet, the tallest star. Sun is the bigger one. All of these are smaller in compared to sun. Sun is the taller and bigger. And the moons are satellites. Moons are the satellites that are smaller. Moon जो होता है वो हमारा smaller than the earth. Moons are the satellites. Earth has its own satellite that we call it as a moon, and this is smaller than the earth. Smaller. Okay. And और जो हमारा ये रहता है मरकरी, मार्स, वीनस एंड अर्थ, ये जो 4 प्लैनेट्स है, these are almost same in size. These are almost same in size. These 4 planets are almost same in size. Almost same in size. And Neptune, Uranus, Saturn and Jupiter, ये जो रहते हैं, ये चारों जो planets हैं, these are bigger than these 4 planets. These are taller than these 4 planets. These are the almost same in size and smaller in compared to these 4 planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So we can say that this is our solar family. Solar family consists of Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And except these some planets, there are more planets which revolves around the sun. Some are rocks, just like asteroids and meteoroids. There are asteroids and meteoroids. Asteroids are the residues of planets. Scientists believe that in earlier times या फिर in ancient times there are some planets which break down due to some reason या फिर due to some activities in universe. So the residues of that planets are known as the asteroids. And meteoroids are the small rocks which revolves around the sun. Small rocks, not very small but small rocks which revolves around the sun. These are also revolves around the sun. So asteroids are the residues of planets which and scientists believe that these planets were born in ancient times, in earlier time. So these are the residues of planets which continuously revolves around the sun like planets. And meteoroids are the small rocks which revolves around the sun. So we can say that this is our solar family. We can say that this is our solar family of some planets where we can see our some planets like Sun, Mercury and many other. And we have discussed in this class like some celestial bodies, what are celestial bodies, what are planets, and where in ancient times how we can determine directions by using polar star. And we have known that what are constellations are group of stars which are made in the sky, where we can see them in the night as well, night in the sky. So this is all about this class. I hope you will get it, and this will help you to understand many more things also. And this is the solar system, and we know about solar system. And thank you so much for studying this class, for watching this class. थैंक यू सो मच. अब मिलते हैं इसकी नेक्स्ट क्लास में. थैंक यू.